Let's improve our Turkish with Turkish series, part 3. What did he say?
Ne dedi?
Ne dedi?
In this scene.
Ne?
Means what, used to ask for information about something.
Dedi?
Means said, refers to what someone has spoken or stated.
Ne dedi?
We will do whatever he wants.
Ne istiyorsa yaparız.
Ne istiyorsa yaparız.
In this scene.
Ne?
Means what, used to ask for information about something.
İstiyorsa.
Means if he/she wants, refers to someone's desire or preference, with a conditional implication.
Yaparız.
Means we do, indicates an action performed by us. Although typically used in the present tense, in this context it implies an action that will be done in the future and also confirms that the action will indeed be done.
Ne istiyorsa yaparız.
Thank you, well done.
Eline sağlık.
Eline sağlık.
In this scene.
Eline.
Means to your hand, used to praise someone's handiwork or effort, implying their hands have done good work.
Sağlık.
Means health. Wishing health, often used to compliment someone's work, implying both thanks and that the work is good. Similar to saying, well done and thank you in English.
Eline sağlık.
I don't want you to touch me.
Bana dokunmanı istemiyorum.
Bana dokunmanı istemiyorum.
In this scene.
Bana.
Means to me, refers to the speaker.
Dokunmanı.
Means you're touching, refers to the act of being touched by the person being addressed.
İstemiyorum.
Means I don't want, indicates a lack of desire for something.
Bana dokunmanı istemiyorum.
I really wondered.
Gerçekten merak ettim.
Gerçekten merak ettim ya.
In this scene.
Gerçekten.
Means really, indicates a genuine feeling or state of curiosity.
Merak.
Means curiosity, refers to the state of wanting to know something.
Ettim.
Means I did, indicates that the action of being curious was performed by the speaker.
Gerçekten merak ettim ya.
Do you want to watch it again?
Bir daha izlemek ister misin?
Bir daha izlemek ister misin?
In this scene.
Bir.
Means one or once more, indicates a single instance or repetition.
Daha.
Means more or again, used to indicate repetition or additional instance.
İzlemek.
Means to watch, refers to the act of watching.
İster misin?
Means do you want, used to ask about someone's desire or preference.
Bir daha izlemek ister misin?
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to not miss similar content. Please share your comments and questions with us. See you in the next video.